Hi everyone, in this video I will walk you through everything you should know when choosing between the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and the Garmin Forerunner 970. We will compare price, how they feel and look, battery life, smart features and training tools. So by the end you will see clearly which one fits your running or the adventurous lifestyle with the best. So first of all, what is the review? So let's start with the price. The Fenix 8 Pro is the Garmin most luxurious multi-sport watch yet, starting around $1,200 for the AMOLED versions and the climbing as high as the $2,000. So if you go for the new micro-LED screen or add LTE or the solar options, the Forerunner 970 by comparison comes in at about $750. So it's notably more affordable, especially if your priority is advanced running, performance over rugged outdoor features. So what is the next? Let's talk design. The Forerunner 970 is slender and light enough that you almost forget you are wearing it. So yet it still feels premium, so thanks to its swing glass screen and the titanium bezel. Meanwhile, the Fenix 8 Pro is chunkier, built for serious adventures and now offer an insanely bright micro-LED display. So it is clearly visible even in the blinding sunlight, are great AMOLED options so if you prefer richer colors. So when it comes to battery life, the difference are clear. The Forerunner 970 lasts up to 2 weeks in daily use, but that drops if you use GPS heavy workouts. The Fenix 8 Pro crushes this with the either up to 4 weeks on the AMOLED model or even longer with solar versions. And while the micro-LED uses more power, it still outlives the 970. So if you hate having to recharge constantly, the Fenix 8 Pro is a standout. So one of the smart features and safety side, the Fenix 8 Pro has taken a step beyond with LTE and a satellite messaging built in. You can send text, share your location, get weather updates, or even call for help, all without your phone. The Forerunner 970 sticks to Bluetooth, so you still need your phone nearby for those extras. Both watches offer serious tracking and the training insights, GPS accuracy, heart rate recovery data, mapping, and specific running metrics. But the 970 packs in newer advanced tools like running tolerance, step speed loss, the economy metrics, although you need Garmin's HRM600 chest strap to unlock some of them. The Fenix 8 Pro offers the full Sight Plus exploration tools like topographic maps, built-in flashlight, and unmatched durability for rough environments. So what's the bottom line? If you are serious runners who wants advanced insights, lightweight feels, and does not need rugged outdoor features, the Forerunner 970 delivers value and performance in one sleek package. But if you want the ultimate all-in-one adventures with extreme battery life, blazing brightness, and independent safety features, then the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is the premium experience you will truly appreciate. So if you are ready for the price tag. So guys, thanks for sticking around. Hit the like if this helped. Subscribe for more easy to follow watch comparisons and let me know in the comments with which watch